Welcome, Kings, Queens, and Jokers. We got another episode of Jeremy's 12 Days of Keto Christmas. Who's ready to chop it like it's hot with Judd? That's me. On today's agenda, I got some homemade cranberry sauce that I'll be making, and that's going to be added into the ultimate keto snack, beef jerky. Everything is going to be made sugar-free because it's keto. Let's go.
Alright, time for a proper Thai massage. For the jerky, let's really get that flavor worked in. Next up, the classic flavor gets that Thai massage treatment. Every little strip deserves a little TLC. And for the bold experiment, Bloody Caesar style. This one's getting the deluxe Thai massage experience. Prep the stage. A little oil goes a long way to make sure nothing sticks. Starting with the cleanest batch, spacing is important so each strip gets even airflow. Into the air fryer we go, dehydrator mode, low and slow, patience is the key, friends. Time for the messy one, cranberry style. 2 racks at a time, just like the others. And in they go. Between all 3 flavors, this turned into 12 racks and over 13 hours of dehydrating. Just look at all that color. That's it for today. I was so exhausted, I forgot to film the taste test. But don't worry, that's coming soon. Follow along so you don't miss the results. Thanks for watching. Now smash that like and subscribe button. Don't forget to share.